How to convert audio file to MP3 on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the MP3 converter application on your phone. This application allows you to import and convert various audio files. Once inside, tap the plus icon on the bottom right corner of the screen on My Files tab. From the menu that appears, select the Files option. Locate and select the audio file you wish to convert, then tap on Open as shown. After the file is imported, tap on it to proceed to the conversion screen. Here, ensure the output format is set to MP3. When you are ready, tap on the large Convert button to begin. The app will process the audio and create a new MP3 file. Now, tap on the Export button. In the Share menu that appears, select Save to Files. Choose a desired folder and tap on Save in the top right. Following these steps, you can easily convert an audio file to MP3 on an iPhone.